global now.
Y'all, it's your boy Mike Shaw, and I'm back here again with another lit vlog. And I have some really good news today. Today we are actually doing a YouTube collab. I think it's not going to be on my channel. It's going to be on this girl's channel. Her name is That's So Raina. I think that's cute. It's like a spinoff of That's So Raven. And we're going to do a couple videos together. You know, we're going to probably collab on a couple videos. And I'm excited about that. Other than that, we got to go pick up a package from this cookie place that I'm going to put on my Instagram for you guys. You know, my Instagram is right here on the screen, and it's in the description below. Y'all can go there and follow me on IG. But I got another announcement. I am starting a reaction channel. So if you don't know, 100K Holla, that's my boy. 100K Holla said, hey, Mike, you love watching movies. You love watching, you know, crazy stuff. So I need you to be reacting to it. So 100K Holla, you know what I'm saying? I got you, my boy. We about to get that cracking today. We're setting up the reaction channel. And the reactions is going to be just like your favorite movies. You're going to be watching movies with me. You're going to be watching videos with me. You're going to be watching... you might be watching fights. But the first thing we're going to watch is Blueface Club. So Blueface Club is pretty much like Bad Girls Club with Blueface. Blueface, the rapper. You know Blueface. Yeah, aight. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me show y'all the clip. Exactly, that's Blueface. So, Blueface, you know, he made a version of Bad Girls Club, and he got all these girls, and it's on OnlyFans. Okay, it's on OnlyFans, so they going crazy on there, and it's gonna be a little bit, I don't know, it might be a little explicit for YouTube, so I'm gonna have to be beep, pop, boop, you know, have to do all of that. You know what I'm saying? So we can make sure all the videos is good to go. So we don't want to be showing no nudity for all the kids and stuff that be watching this on my channel. But at the same time, you know, we gonna watch it together as a family, you know. But it's gonna be on my other channel. It's gonna be on Mike Shaw Vlogs. It's gonna be on the Mike Shaw Vlogs or the Mike Shaw React channel. I'm gonna put it in the description of this video. But I'm about to go get a haircut. After I get that haircut, I'm gonna go pick up those delicious cookies from, dang, I forgot the name of that spot, but I'm gonna make sure I say it in the video, but I'm gonna remember. But yeah, I'm gonna go get a haircut, so next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be looking all GQ and whatever. But I cannot wait to get this freaking facial. Oh my God, y'all don't know how bad I'm ready to get this facial. I'm getting a facial from one of the best, Bella's Cocaine, you know what I'm saying? She's gonna give me a facial. It's not today, it's on Saturday. So when I go get that, I'm gonna make sure I vlog that because I need all of that. I need all of that. I need y'all to see that. Like, I get this dead skin taken care of. I get all this taken care of. But next time, like I said, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be getting a haircut. So, good transition. Let's get this transition going. Boom.
If I show y'all I'm making millions, then shit, it doesn't matter I'm spending too. Do it.
Alright, y'all, I'm in the shop. I'm about to get a cut. It's about to go down. I'm about to get a cut. Shampoo bowl ready. You gotta wash this thing. Chopped off. I'm about to get all this together. I'm like a whole new person. Okay, now we're looking a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? The right side is my best side. I don't know, the left side looking good too. Hold on, let me fix this. Give myself a little more highlight. There we go. Alright, we looking good. Now we about to go pick up these cookies. And I don't think it's 30 minutes away, so if it's not 30 minutes away, I'm gonna go get me some breakfast and stuff. Hold on, can't get copyright now. But yeah, we about to go. Well, y'all see the cut, so I'm feeling myself now. You already know. But yeah, we about to go get some breakfast, and we about to go pick up some cookies. I'll be back. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike Shaw, and I'm back here again. And like I said, next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be getting some breakfast. But I'm at Sugar Shane's right now, and Sugar Shane is about to bless me with, I guess, the influencer pack for his brand, and we about to get some cookies. So next thing you're gonna see is me getting some cookies. Let's get it. Then we gotta go see That's So Raven. That's so Raven. It's the future I can see. That's so. Alright, but I'll see y'all in a minute.
I started a company in March on the side. I work at Amazon full time, so my desk is set up over here. And top left, you've got the cookies and cream. There's your typical chocolate walnut. It's like a Sugar's Take 5s or Take 5 bar type peanut butter base. Kitchen sink with a peanut butter filling actually, but just a bunch of stuff inside of it. Fruity Pebbles. An easy one. Stuffed Oreos, 2 Oreos stacked on top of each other. This is the veteran, so I'm giving 100% of the proceeds this month, which is an M&M chocolate chip cookies to Folds of Honor, which is a foundation that gears after granting children with educational needs, like a private education. It's pretty cool. And then this is a new cat. It's nicknamed, or actually the cookie name is the Mamba. There is a dark chocolate fudge brownie inside. Cookie is my favorite athlete of all time, so I had to give him a cookie after the other chocolate base.
That's a lot.
They look pretty inside.
These are no, yeah, that's what I've been seeing. Like they just look.
Oh yeah,
like,
so you
super
stack them. Like, cause, I mean, a lot of people. There's no one in Atlanta that makes big cookies. There's a bunch of cookies you can buy online that you can't.
Not stuffed cookies. Though.
Stuff.
I think you're the only person that
Stuff some. Well, and so I have a little different strategy. If you get a big cookie, they're typically like wide, and usually 6 ounces. I'm 4 and I stack them. So
that is different.
Why is it? Because I have a freeze technique. So I actually flash freeze it.
Yeah, we ain't giving away no secrets.
Oh, it's fine. You don't need to do that, but it sits up on top like that.
Okay.
And so.
But that's crazy. Man.
Yeah, man. So got going and.
I'm excited, man. I'm definitely gonna take care of you.
Pump, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take care of you. Hey y'all, we just shot this video. 20 questions with a stranger. The one and only.
Rena, baby.
That's so Rena.
Be
sure.
Like wine.
Definitely be sure. She got me in here lit. Y'all know my favorite thing. That Wilches. I look too clear on this damn camera. Shit.
Oh my gosh.
It's too clear.
This is what I'm saying. He said people think that he's not full of himself, but bougie.
I'm just saying, like, it looked too clear. Like, I see too much. Like, I be looking at myself. I'm like, ugh. I don't want to look at myself. But, you know, like.
It's giving very much skin, very much melanin.
Oh, yeah, like, I gotta
very
go.
much one tone.
Yeah, I gotta go get, like, the whole, like.
Facial?
Yeah, I get it on Saturday.
You get a microderm?
Yeah, she doing it. Yeah. Shout out to Bella Cocaine. That's my, that's my girl. Yeah, she legit.
I've never got a facial before.
You should.
I just got my first massage today.
How was it?
Great, actually.
They came here?
No, I went there.
Oh.
Yeah, I went to Hand and Stone.
Gotta check that out. But, you know, guys, after this, I am about to go shoot with Dope DJ and Holla at Crazy. And we actually about to watch Blueface.
Oh, you're reacting to it?
Yeah, I'm gonna react to it. Because we got the OnlyFans. So we're gonna react to that.
You got the OnlyFans.
Yeah, so Blueface has what's that called? Like, you heard of Bad Girls Club?
Yes. Oh my God, yes.
So it's like Blueface Club. And
that's what Arrogant Tay was doing for a little bit with Arrogant Tay and Jada and Dream Doll and all them were doing the Bad Girls Club thing for a little bit at Ari's house. Then it stopped all of a sudden, and I was like, I liked it.
Damn.
It was funny.
Well, my boy Blueface done picked the ball up after they dropped it, and we about to react to that. So y'all probably gonna see a little bit of that. And I don't know. Other than that, I might be done for the day. After that, I ain't trying to do nothing else. Y'all getting too much into my life. But go.
What?
Yeah, they be being nosy. But go check her out and make sure y'all subscribe to her channel as well.
Yes.
And make sure y'all go see the link in my bio for her website. She has a whole bunch of very beautiful stuff for ladies.
Thank you.
From eye care to lashes to you got brows, brushes and stuff like that.
No, not yet.
That's coming. But she got hair and all that other good stuff for you nice, beautiful women. So go check that out. What's up, y'all? It is the next day, and you know, yesterday didn't go as planned with a lot of things. But today is a different day. We are on our way to Ponce City Market in Atlanta, Georgia. And we about to do a shoot. And we about to eat at 9 Mile Station. So, you about to keep everything going, keep it copacetic. I am driving. Oh, we almost died. I'm driving in a Tesla truck. But yeah, a lot has happened since yesterday. Like yesterday, I think Ken got caught cheating or something. That was like a big thing. But anyway, we ain't gonna talk about that. Okay. But we on our way to Ponce City Market. I'm about to go to 9 Mile Station. It's on the rooftop. We about to go eat at the rooftop. This rooftop is crazy. Hey, I'll see you guys there. For sure, I'll see y'all there for sure.
Georgia, man.
Atlanta, Georgia.
With my boy Mike Shaw.
Hey man, what's up?
But
How you doing? No
y'all
autographs, I'm sorry.
Y'all tell me.
Hey y'all. Here we go.
Who is dressed for the weather? Me?
Hey man, we world champs forever.
Like, I'm just trying to see. Because, like, you got on shorts
Yeah.
and a t-shirt. I got on
Yeah,
jacket.
you definitely look like you dressed for a different day. But Sam is probably dressed the same way you are.
So you're underdressed.
I'm probably underdressed.
Because it's definitely fall time.
But it's definitely 80 degrees today.
But the reason I'm dressed like this,
It's pneumonia weather.
I'm dressed like this because
Because of what?
it's still 105 degrees in Houston, and I'm not going to be able to take none of this out the closet.
That's facts.
So I need to wear it now while I'm here.
No, that's facts.
Can we appreciate my skin right quick, though?
Here he go.
It
Well,
wouldn't
y'all,
be
dope DJ. I got dope DJ in the vlog.
Hey, it wouldn't be a vlog if I don't hype myself up, man. Y'all already know what's going on.
I got dope DJ in the vlog, guys.
Why every
We about to go.
say y'all already know what's going on? We're going to see. We're just going to rock out still.
All right, y'all, that's the famous Ponce City Market right there. They have a whole bunch of different restaurants inside, but today we're going to the rooftop. Oh, man, this is Ponce City Market. Guys, we about to go up to the rooftop. We're about to experience that. What you say? Thank you so much. What you talking about? Hold on, guys. I forgot. Sam came.
But I paid
Humble
them
Flex.
before they came out.
What kind of pens are those? The Vizus?
These are out of Macy's. $10.
Sam
You
Cam.
know, they're
$10?
crazy.
Okay.
You know.
Let's see how Cam must be.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Very,
You got a
very
new one. This is the dope
professional.
Cam. Yeah, go on my
Yeah,
friends.
get the
got money.
Linseys.
Okay.
Something light, 42.
He got the size on the
Okay.
outside of the shoe. Don't play with them.
So
What kind of pants are those? The meat, what
I
is
got
that?
the.
All
Hey,
safe.
hold up. You know how he flex? Let me flex right quick.
Go ahead.
Fashion Nova.
Oh, here.
Not Fashion
Don't
Nova
throw in your
men,
sponsorship.
Don't play with him.
Is that a matching
Okay.
mask from Fashion Nova?
Come on
Nah,
now.
I got this from the airport.
No, I was on the floor with Brian, you know.
On the floor.
You know, in the bubble, you know. I was in Orlando. I just had to let him know.
That boy different.
Come on now. As, you know, I got an extra shirt, you know, for whoever need one.
You ever take a girl on a date here, Mike?
Gotta cut the vlog off. Thanks, Elijah.
Appreciate you, bro.
And here we go. Yeah. We are at the top.
Yo, why I feel like I'm in Grand Lake.
10 stories.
We just went up 10 stories. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, it feels like Christmas. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, excuse me.
Sorry, no, you're good.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Oh, thank you. You know, my cousin is Brian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, not LeBron though.
Yeah,
Just Bron.
just Brian. Me and Bronny be gassing. All right, guys, this is the park. Let me show y'all.
Ocean Park.
All right, y'all, we done made it. Now they know you're not in any game.
Right, it's about to be 5 o'clock. We can sleep, go upstairs. Okay.
Like I was saying,
Okay.
we about to eat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, now.
Damn, it took you out. We found some. I see that. It's like a little Big Mac, for real, for real. well, I'm about to end this vlog, y'all. Until the next time, you know, it's your boy Mike Shaw. This daylight savings time is like killing me. Yeah, daylight savings is really like killing me, y'all. But it's really killing my vibe. But until the next time, it's your boy Mike Shaw, and we out here.